Filipinos are a rice-eating population. We eat rice from breakfast to dinner and even during snack time. The fast-paced life of Filipinos, however, resulted in less time in preparing and cooking meals at home. This led to a market for ready-to-eat rice meals. To make eating rice meals very convenient, convenience stores nationwide sell rice meals at very affordable prices. It is no wonder that a research project came about from this aspect of the food industry. The research project being undertaken is extension of shelf life of rice meal in microwavable container under the CRADLE program or Collaborative Research and Development to leverage Philippine economy of DOSTPH. The project leader is Dr. Maria Patricia Viazanza, Professor of the Department of Food Science and Nutrition, College of Home Economics, UP Diliman. Our partner industry is a supplier of RTE rice meals to one of the largest convenience store company in the Philippines. The next 5 years see an additional increase in production volume of the RTE rice meals, and in order to enhance customer experience, product quality, and shelf life, state-of-the-art technology and evolved packaging material are being looked into by our partner industry. Concomitant to change in packaging material are strategies employed in its food production line to increase the shelf life of the partner industry's most popular rice meal variant from 5 days to at least 14 days. The rice meal to be studied will be the most profitable rice meal variant of the partner industry. The research project will aim to establish an extended shelf life of at least 2 weeks of the most marketable rice meal in microwavable top seal trays of the partner industry. The project will have 4 phases spanning 18 months of research and development. The first phase will involve determining the effect of key safety and quality parameters on the current shelf life of 5 days of the RTE meal variant within its supply chain. The second phase of the project will define strategies in the management of the key parameters to extend shelf life to at least 14 days at laboratory scale production. These strategies will involve product, process, and time temperature management development and innovations. The third phase will simulate the established protocols with extended shelf life for the representative variant at manufacturing level of production, while the fourth phase of the project will involve transfer of technology to the partner industry. An increase in the shelf life of the most marketable rice meal variant of the partner industry would mean being able to serve bigger markets and more consumers, leading to a potential increase in sales and income. The technology that will be developed from the project will be made available to the public after 3 years and would greatly favor the ready-to-eat, retail, or convenient markets or industries. In addition, the project outputs would contribute to a better quality RTE meal for the Filipino consumer.